Good day everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to use the group by clause in SQL. Let's begin. What is group by? The group by statement in SQL is used to organize and summarize database on identical values in specified columns. By using group by, we can apply aggregate function like sum for totals, count to count records, AVG for average, min to find the smallest value, max to find the largest value. This makes it easier to perform detailed data analysis. Here's the basic syntax of the group by statement. Select column name from table name where condition group by column name, order by column name. Let's apply this syntax. For this tutorial, we will be using the Northwind database as a sample. Example. Select count, open parenthesis, customer ID, close parenthesis, country. From customers, group by country, order by count. Open parenthesis, customer ID, close parenthesis, D, and descending. Let's type the query. As you can see, this table lists all customers. This shows the country has customers in it. The group by clause is a powerful tool for summarizing data in SQL. It helps in analyzing trends and making data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching. For more information, just visit our channel.